Well, thank you for viewing RoswellSkateboards.com channel again. Here is the monthly drawing update for the prize tickets. If you notice, in each and every one of your orders, you've been receiving a little red ticket. It says Staples on one side with a number on the other, whatever. Save those tickets, because each and every month they're going to be used over and over and over again. It doesn't mean that it's only good for 1 month. It's good for from now on. Each and every month I will be pulling it. More and more tickets will be put in the box, so it goes as it goes. So anyway, there is no first, second, or third prize. There's just simply winners. So bottom line, we're going to pull 3 tickets right now, announce the numbers. If you guys have these numbers, get in contact with me and I'll get you out a nice little prize. You'll definitely like what you get. It's a good one. Anyway, there's 1 ticket, there's 2 tickets, and here comes the 3rd ticket. It's kind of stuck together, so let's throw it back. We'll get another one. There we go. So, starting off, we're starting off with, number is 684216. You can see that, 684216. That's the number one for April of 2012. 684191. 684191. That's the second prize winner. Isn't a prize, but anyway, your second winner. And the third winner will be 684117. 684117. So if you guys have any of these winning numbers, get in contact with me. Send me either a little video showing me the number or a picture showing me the number, whatever, along with your address, and I will get you out a nice little prize. Appreciate it for viewing, and peace out.